A customer support ticket isn't always a quick fix. Sometimes it's a bug that needs a developer's attention or a feature users keep asking for. That's where a project board makes collaboration easier. Using a project board helps turn these tickets into trackable tasks, assign them to team members, and set follow-up deadlines to speed up the process. While FluentSupport manages your customer interactions, FluentBoards provide a structured visual workspace to manage internal tasks natively within WordPress. This module focuses on converting support ticket into tasks to bridge the gap between support and operations with FluentBoards and FluentSupport integration. So let's dive in and see how it works. So since I already have both plugins installed, so I'll start by opening the FluentSupport dashboard. Here I can see an overview of your support activity, open tickets, assigned agents, response times, and more. So this gives you a real-time snapshot of your customer interaction. So now let's move into the ticket section from the top bar. This is where all incoming queries live. So I can filter by status, priority, or assignment, making it easy to find what you are looking for. So let's open a recent ticket from a customer needing urgent attention. The details of the customer's query are there. I can easily spot a 3-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. So this is my quick action menu. So let's click on it. And a list of powerful features appears, such as merge tickets, add bookmarks, and more. So this time I'm going with add task to FluentBoards, and wow, an interface to map some fields with FluentBoards data is there. I can see that the task title and description fields are automatically fetched from the ticket subject and content. So this saves you time and ensures the context is preserved. So here I'll select the board on which the task will be stored. So following that comes the option to pick the stage where the task will be initiated. Setting a deadline is also crucial for prioritizing ticket resolution and keeping your team accountable. So let me finish with that. I'll just double check everything. It's looked perfect. So let's hit create. So now that the task has been created, it's time to see how it's placed on FluentBoards. Here I'm back on my FluentBoards dashboard. I need to open the board on which I linked the task earlier and then open the stage. Well, the ticket is converted into a task and it's right there. So the best part is that it retains all relevant details, and now I can assign members to handle it like a pro. So these simple steps create a seamless workflow between your support and operations teams. And just like that, your support ticket is now a task, organized, trackable, and assigned, thanks to the easy integration between FluentSupport and FluentBoards. This workflow makes sure nothing falls through the cracks and helps your team act faster with all the context they need. If this tutorial looks useful to you, give it a try and let us know how it's helping your team in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next module.